This is where I'm having my coffee this morning. Got my dog with me, just having a bit of a wander around in the river. Find myself a little seat here, get my coffee. I'm just going to sit here and connect with the earth, soak up the vibrations of the earth, and just be time for me, just to put everything else aside, what has to be done at home, what I have to do for the day, for the week, and just sit here and be. And my mate, he's off doing it as well. He's not worried about anything. Of course he doesn't have anything to worry about anyway. He's just doing his thing. Beautiful day.